It's open.
That was quick.
Thank you. All right, we're gonna pop this lock off. All right. All right, I'm making a key to this quick set lock. I'm not gonna rekey it. They want the exact key that it was before. I'm gonna pick it again. I'm gonna pull out the there it is. I need to make sure those pins don't fall out this time. The ones on the bottom. I'll put my key in. And those are going to be our cuts. It looks like 43665. 43665. I'm going to cut that key, and then they should all be flush. All right, let's see. Bam, perfect. Look at that. Let's put our key back, cylinder back in, and that's it. That turns.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that all right?
Oh, thank you.